nagaling ko. Hello sir, welcome here at Jurassic Park, sir.
At saka pati parang pala sila Ma'am Lloyd Espinosa is here.
Aking AM. Oh, what's AM? Morning?
AM.
What's AM?
Manager.
Oh! Hinakotanan na ay manager.
Wow. Wala ka manager? Asa man?
Pero ako na po yung makakita siya. Ako naman yung third eye sa tuwa.
Ayun, mga kasama namin.
Yeah.
Batiin mo naman yung foreign friend.
After sir, what is your name, sir?
Tuko po ni mo.
Kevin.
Tulad yan to! Kabayan ko ni kakaagi! Gusto nyo ka bali-balian ka ba para mo tuo?
Mas guwapo magulang din. Tumangon ako kaysa taparang. Mas isa lang kasikuhan, ani.
Pamuta na!
Hello, sir.
Sir, have mercy. Pure praise. Pure praise.
Yes. What's your name, sir?
What? Isa daw.
What's again, sir? Kevin daw, Kevin.
Hi, Sir Kevin. Don't you know that you're talking to the Guinness World Record comedian? The only comedian who is pure bones, no intestine, no liver, pure bones.
True. Kaya may matinig at may back.
Magbubulat na rin ba?
Nag-itong ginagiling. Sir, when? Belgium, Philippines, when?
Kapag mo makutan na, uwi! Sir, makutan na daw, ilang taon, ilang days na siya dito?
How long are you, sir?
How long are you?
How long are you in
Miss D, did you not college yourself?
I am schooling.
Oh my gosh. Pakay-utok.
Oh my God, 9 days pa lang daw siya.
Wow.
9 days.
So where in Belgium, sir? What municipality?
Walang
ka. Which
place to nila? UK!
UK!
Yes!
Oh my, I love
UK.
It's okay, there.
Duhawan 50, United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. Mo ba naman eh? Hindi. Ba't mo ginapatak sa mga bata?
Tingin-tingin.
Again, sir, welcome, sir.
Yeah.
You know, I think your name, sir, is Hernan, isn't it?
Si Hernan.
That's Hernan. No, Hernan. Oh my gosh. I love bald people. Yeah. Don't you know that bald people are the people who are the leader of X-Men?
Oh, it's Professor X.
Yes, and welcome, sir, to the Philippines. Hi, sir. Kevin from UK. Kevin, yes. Hi, welcome. Do you have is this your beautiful wife? Where's your, oh my gosh.
Oh, lady in pink.
Beautiful wife. Do you have any friends in your country that you could refer to us?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because
we are, you know, sir, the comedians here are half-breed.
Half boy, half breed.
Half boy, half girl.
Yes.
That's why short we have a tail.
Yes, correct. We are half Filipino
Yes.
also.
So sir, you're very good in English. Are you a foreigner?
Of course.
Yes.
Manay, my God.
Yes. Sir, what's your love song for your beautiful wife?
Yes. What is your favorite song for your wife?
Don't worry, sir. In this part of this comedy, we don't ask for money because a lot of people are telling that the comedians in Davao City are very money faced. They love to ask for money or things.
Money face. Face money.
Now, kwarta bugo.
Sorry. We're not money face, sir, but hope you understand, sir, that you know that our place, sir. Ma'am, ikaw na na-translate pa, bawal mag-CR sa Bokulas, sir.
Oh my gosh, ano ka ba? Sir, don't listen to this comedian. I just like to emphasize, sir, that in this part, we will ask you for a song that you want us to sing, and then we don't ask for money.
Really?
It's for free.
Really?
But, we don't ask for money, but we accept jewelry. Okay?
Yes. Just try us.
So what song is your love song for your wife?
Yes.
Hi, madam. Ma'am, gigutom po ni ma'am.
Ma'am, ikaw na lang pasabot sa buong bata.
Kasi naikan mo diha, ma'am.
Wala kanon sila man eh. Wala pa doon wala pa napindot ang recipe.
Ang daming food.
Bitaw.
Wow!
Sa daw.
Ako, hindi na rin sa to. What song do you want us to sing, sir?
Yes. Your theme song, boss.
Your love song for each other.
Yes, paalam na. Sorry.
Si Madam daw yung magbigay ng
Sabi niya, she choose.
By the way, what's the language of UK?
Katawan ka man na eh. Basta ako na ako yung insurance.
Kaya naman po na insurance.
Depende ang kinikala ng pirang milyon.
Ay, mag-insurance, may mo rin gitaw na, may mag-iba naman nagbulan.
Oh, ayan. Sir, salamat sir. Kabalo ko sir na ikaw rin makabuhan sa akong kinabuhi.
Ang mga lalaki ba?
Ayan, hello nga po pala
Ang mga lalaki ba? Tapis ko sa inyo mo. Pero siya, barkada mo na ito sa una ko.
Ako, kinapabayad-bayad sir. Oh, ayan, so again sir, what is your theme song both sir? You know that, you know the song that I Love You Goodbye?
Ano ba?
Yung sila
They
mabulan.
are lovers.
Lovers.
They are
90s
couple.
pwede.
So they have they should have a love song.
Oh.
What song, ma'am?
Ang sige,
Wow! Tagay to
Water.
What do you want, sir? You offer alkaline or Evian water?
Or water with Lunipin and Losartan.
Oh no!
Oh,
Ano daw?
Ambot, sinarada niya.
What? We can sing UK songs.
Oo.
You want?
Oh, yung pino. Ambot lagi. Oo, any song.
Ano yung song? Lapitan mo na distinct.
Uhaw daw.
Mas ako nga, tubangon ako si Madam. Si Madam
Di ba mo ka
naman.
maklaro pag ana ba?
Ano man?
Ma'am, kailangan sige request. Ano po yung song, Madam? Kasi si Sir...
Ma'am, ano yung love song niyo sa isa't isa? Wala mo?
Favorite song na lang ni mo, madam?
Ayun na lang, D-song, Ma'am. Hindi ko na mama. Bisaya song.
Uhaw. Uhaw gina yung gusto ko, mga kamil mo niya, ma'am.
At least dito man nakakuha tayo ng isang request ko. Dito naman sa gitna.
Ayan, hello po pala sa Makabayan Security Agency.
Hi! Actually, sila yung mga early bird.
Oo, sila. Ito
Sila
sila
yung
mga
nandun kanina.
Sila to,
Kami na po itong nag-set up sa table kaganina. Oo, waiter Jimmy pag first, tapos mag-comedian. Kanya mo ba sir sa una?
Oo.
Ano po yung request dito?
Hinom lagi kayo mo, ma'am, nag-open forum mo. Kasi nakadistort ko eh.
Nagdula ng Jumanji ba?
Mga, of course, beautiful ladies from, ano yun?
Makabayan Security Agency together with the gentlemen also.
Hello.
Hello po.
Ako, mag-ingat pala tayo sa ating mga pananalita.
Yes, oo nga. Kasi parang mga high profile to.
High profile.
High profile inmates.
Ikaw, Madam.
Ay, gwapo silang kasama sa gitna.
Oo.
Nakaputi.
Yan
Ay, gwapo, pero napoy, gilid nila lang ito vlog.
Ha?
Kirain to. Kahit
Ikaw, buko na ano, gusto ka makruto-ruto.
Hindi ko mo naman kasi usupin.
Hoy, ano ka ba? Lagi adlaw na dili kay na itsura ano, pero ang nakadaot lang pagkada adlaw na. Oo.
So, ikaw daot na.
Siyempre, graduate na. Sa ato mga kagalang-galang na mga madam, at least ano kami mga favorite song or request song.
Dito mo tayo sa gitna. Ano po yung request dito?
Pagka, wave lagi, sige, hindi ka maklaro.
Yes. Ma'am, wala naman ang piling magkimalas sa negosyo. Anak-anak ang tara mo.
Ay, at saka nakalimutan, batiin pala natin na nasa VIP sa taas.
hello po.
Okay lang mo, ay, kung kabala ka mo, larga na ang barge taon.
Pasama mo, ma'am.
Hello po sa ating mga